What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0243, up 10% on the day. See market cap 627 million. 24-hour volume 265 million. I just got some Wagyu skewers. Wow, speak English. Wagyu beef skewers marinated in the frying pan, so hopefully they don't burn while I'm doing the TA. So we had that long wick down. So what I would look at is that's a wave 2, micro 2. So let me grab my brush. Push up in a wave 1, potential wave 2 pullback, and now you'd push up 3, 4, 5. So the target would be 0.03383. So I think we could easily just consolidate and then push higher. Just be cautious. If you are trading, we have bearish divergence on the 4-hour. But that is the wave count that we're looking at. I mean, Gala, it can just explode at any time. Sol just exploded 12% into our target zone. So Gala could do the same thing at any moment. Taking a look at the daily chart, as you can see, I talked about breaking this resistance. I say if we can break above this resistance, we can stay above this resistance, we can push to our next target, which I think is likely. 0.02807. You can see resistance here, support here, resistance, support, and that's our next take profit, and that will be over 100% from our entry. And my signals are $10 a month. So as you can see, we had the bullish cross. We're looking really good. It looks good for continuation. If we do end up pulling back, of course, anything can happen. Just watch the support of 0.02276 for a bounce, or potentially the EMAs if we break that support before continuing to push higher for our friend Gala. But looking at our micro counter, I do think we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, and within that is 5 waves. So you have a wave 1 to the upside. That wick down was a wave 2 pullback, and then you look to push up in a 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that smells good. So that's it for this one. Smash the like button. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit it into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crush it on Ethereum, crush it on Sol. Currently doing very well on Gala. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis, crush it on US oil. Looking to get into silver and gold. $10 a month, all links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.